How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 64 Galaxie 500 XL. Beautiful car, guys. Nice clean car. Got a re-chrome front bumper, the grille. All the headlight bezels are original and very nice condition. It's repainted its original Wimbledon White with a two-tone blue bucket seat console interior. It's got the 390 in it. Just a super nice car, guys. This is a true survivor. Rear bumper's been re-chromed. You can see how nice all the tail panel moldings are and the tail light bezels. All look really nice, all originals. This car's nice and straight down the sides. They updated it with a set of American Racing torque thrust wheels. This does have the 390 in it with the C6 trans, 3-speed automatic. See how nice and clean the doors are? This has all the original interior in the car except the headliner. Beautiful car, guys. Dash is all really nice. No cracks or anything in the dash pad. The headliner has been replaced. Did a very nice job doing it. I tell you, I really like the two-tone blue interior in this car. With the factory buckets and the console in it. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Trunk looks real good and clean. Got the factory jack spare. Got the original AM radio in, which still works. See how nice the console is and shifter. I really like the blue interior, two-tone like that. Super nice. Doors are nice and clean. This is the original 390. They did do an aluminum intake on it, a Holley carb, chrome air cleaner and breather, but we do have the original intake, carburetor, valve covers and breather. All goes with the car. Beautiful car, guys, beautiful car. Sounds real good out the exhaust. Reverse lights all work on it and everything. Beautiful car, guys. Super nice car. Sounds good out the exhaust. I tell you, this is a car you just get in, drive it, and enjoy it. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.